Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to download apps from the App Store without being prompted for your Apple ID password on your iPhone, iPad, or any other Apple device. If you've been frustrated by having to enter your Apple ID password every time you download an app, stick around, I'll show you how to fix that and install apps without any interruptions. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Then navigate to Screen Time. From here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle the switch to enable it. Next, select iTunes and App Store purchases and set Require Password to Don't Require. Now let's make one more adjustment. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Then toggle off the option for iTunes and App Store. That's it. Now return to your home screen. Open the App Store and search for any app. And download it. You'll notice that you can now install apps without being prompted for your Apple ID password like before. Maybe you will have to enter the Apple ID password for the first time you download the app, but it will no longer ask after that. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.